Hi, I'm Chef Nikki Shaw, featured chef for Cuisine Noir, partnering with Tony Chachere, and today we are making an amazing Dirty Birdy Creole casserole. First, I'll preheat my oven to 375 degrees. In a large bowl, I'll add my Tony's Creole Dirty Rice Dinner Mix first. Then I'll add in chicken broth, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup or cream of chicken soup, 1.5 cups of broccoli florets. I'm gonna mix everything until it's completely blended. I'll get my casserole dish ready. Of course, I'm gonna spray it with nonstick spray to make cleanup easy. Pour the rice mixture into the pan and place the chicken pieces on top. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle the top with Tony's Bold Creole seasoning. Cover the pan with foil, then bake it in the oven for 50 minutes on 375. Everything's all done. I took it out the oven, I sprinkled some cheese on top, let it melt, and voila, it's delicious. For this recipe and more, go to cuisinenoirmag.com or tonysachary.com. Enjoy.